Roxell Richards here, your favorite injury attorney, and I've got a question here. And that question is, what happens if you lose your car accident settlement? Well, here's the thing. Sometimes during the rendering of the verdict, your lawyer and opposing counsel may enter into what we call a high-low verdict. And what that means is if the jury comes back and says you win, that means that you would have settled for an amount that you've already actually agreed upon. Or vice versa, if you lose, you still get an amount, but that amount is already agreed to. So to give you an example, I had a case that I tried, right? It was a dog bite case. And particularly in this particular situation, the verdict came back against us. But because we had entered into a high-low settlement, we proved it up before the judge before the verdict came out, we were actually able to recover money for our client. Thank God. Now, here's the other situation. In the event that you're unable to have a high-low type of situation happen, there are the courts of appeals, and you've got 30 days to bring forth the motion for new trial. And if that motion for new trial is granted, you've got another opportunity. If it's denied, as so long as your lawyer has preserved error for appeal, you can make sure that you file that notice of appeal. When you file that notice of appeal, there's your chance to make sure that you can get heard in front of an appellate court and see if they would actually determine whether or not the case should have actually rendered that verdict. So those are your options, and if you have any more questions, I would certainly love to answer those. My name is Roxell Richards, and I can be reached at 713-974-0388, or simply putting your information in our free case review form, and I love to answer your questions there. Thank you.